Hey, arụ emene ije nwoke ịma na these days agụrụ dị. People are passing through a lot. People are passing through a lot. Unafuka this man now should end it up now. Unafuka this man now should end it up. Share this video, the family members wait for the video. Share the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, Onyakita Muniru building just this morning, the 10th day of July 2024. Opa Kimoto. Though I want to go behind more any information on those who after find a motor just like that. I'm going to wait here, man. She come to building material. No, sorry. Important zone by express. Important zone by express. Important zone by express. You know what's up. Shuttle bus come. I don't know what's happened. So please.